Today we're looking at an APOC BUR3 asphalt-based pipe wrap detail. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Existing problems can be lack of reinforcing, shrinking pitch pan fillers, or just plain bad design. Let's look at a better way. To start, always clean the surface. Measure and mark the outside border of the repair area. For a professional look, mask off the repair area, including the pipe. Mark and cut the Incredible Fleece tape. After cutting the fingers in the Incredible tape, apply the finger wrap to the pipe. For ultimate adhesion, work in the Incredible tape with a seam roller. Apply the APOC flashing cement. Using a trowel, work the APOC flashing cement towards the outside edge of the tape. Measure and cut 2 pieces of 483 polyester reinforcing fabric. Mark the polyester using the pipe as a guide. Now with professional scissors, cut a half moon in each piece to create a target with a center hole. Embed one side of the target into cement. Flashing cement should extend past the fabric. Never embed the fabric over a dry substrate. Embed the final piece of 483 polyester fabric into the flashing cement. Apply the final coat of APOC flashing cement to the horizontal surface and the pipe. For a professional look, remove the masking tape. Apply roofing granules over the 365 Eterna-Flash. Now your APOC BUR3 pipe wrap detail is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.